Alright, hello everybody. Peter here. I am once again sitting here at 2:22 a.m. in the a.m. and I just finished editing this video, so now I'm sitting here recording my voice to put over the video. And as is often the case, I don't know what to say, except that these late nights and early into the morning, sometimes I just really wonder if I can save the world with drawing. Is that what I'm trying to do? My world, someone else's world, everyone's world. If the world could be saved with drawing, someone would probably have done it already, because people have been just drawing their hearts out for centuries, millennia already, right? And the world, maybe that's why the world is only as bad as it is right now. If it weren't for all those people drawing lines and shapes and things like that, maybe the world would be even inconceivably worse by now. Who knows? I think that those people do at least save their own little personal worlds a little bit. Maybe that's selfish, but art is a little bit selfish. I don't know. You take a little bit of time and you're drawing your own lines, even if you're doing it to express some other idea. It's your own hand, your own lines, your own ideas. I don't know. It's too late. I do appreciate all the different types of art out there, all the different ways people draw. Even just if you concentrate on drawing and you throw out painting and crocheting and croqueting, you just look at drawing, and there's every single person that draws a little bit differently. Even if everyone sits down and draws the same thing, they'll draw a little bit differently, and that's a wonderful thing. Even if everyone says, let's draw exactly the same, let's try to draw in the same style, the same subject in the same style, it's going to be different. And then take away that, and if everyone tries to draw differently, it's going to be really different. And it's wonderful. And then you broaden the scope a little more, and you include all these different mediums. And the mind reels back. It staggers. It boggles and woggles, and I just think it's beautiful that I can contribute even a little bit to that. I feel like this is normally the kind of voiceover that I record and then delete and then record something else, but maybe this time I'll leave it in. I'll let y'all listen to my, because I record myself saying things like that, then it's like, it feels like I'm like forcing some weird kind of, like fake deep sort of philosophy. I'm not a very good philosophizer. I don't like the word art. I don't really like thinking about what art is, because it doesn't seem very productive to me. What seems productive to me is sitting down and drawing, sitting down and making things, and not heeing and hawing about what is or what could be or what was or what was might have been. What is it? Who knows? Just sit down and make something. That seems like what's productive to me. You don't gotta know what you're making in order to make it. Is this art? Is that not art? Who cares? It doesn't matter. Just sit down and make something. That's what I think. Okay? All right, so you'll forgive me for my pointless philosophizing, and I'm just going to go to sleep now, so y'all should go draw a picture, go make something. Don't worry about if it's good enough or bad enough, or if it saves the world or not. Maybe it'll save your life a little bit. Just for a minute, just for a split second, I think you'll be a little bit better. Even if it doesn't turn out well and you're a little bit frustrated by it, it's okay. You'll be fine. I believe in you. And I think the world would be better for it. A little bit more creation that wasn't there before. Yeah. All right. All right. Goodbye, everybody. Love you. Who am I kidding? I can't go to sleep now.